In this video, I'll show you how to filter your recommended products by price so that your quiz only shows products matching the customer's selected price range. Let's get started. On my dashboard, I have a skincare quiz where I'd like to add a price filtering question. First, I'll click Customize Quiz, and in the Questions section, I'll add a new multiple choice question. I'll move it right before the email question and ask something like, "What's your desired price range for your skincare routine?" Then, I'll add 3 options: under 20 euros, 20 euros to 50 euros, over 50 euros. I'll save my changes to make sure the options are stored. Now, simply adding this question won't filter the products yet. We need to connect it to specific collections in Shopify. Each choice must upvote the collection that matches its price range and exclude the ones that don't. At the moment, I don't have those collections created. So let's go to Shopify, Products, Collections to set them up. Step 1. Create the price-based collections. Click Create Collection and name it something like under 20 euros. Instead of manually selecting products, we'll use automated conditions to create a smart collection. Set the rule to include products where price is less than 20 euros, then click Save. Shopify will automatically group all products under that price. Next, we'll create another collection for 20 euros to 50 euros. Add 2 conditions: price is greater than 20 euros, and price is less than 50 euros, then save. Finally, create a collection for over 50 euros and set the condition price is greater than 50 euros. Save it. And now we have 3 smart collections organized by price. Step 2. Connect collections to quiz choices. Return to the RevenueHunt Quizzes app and open your quiz again. Find your price question, expand the first choice, under 20 euros, and click to upvote a collection. Search for and select the under 20 euros collection. Then click Exclude Collections and select the other 2, 20 to 50 euros and over 50 euros, so that they're shown in orange as excluded. Repeat the same steps for the remaining choices. For 20 to 50 euros, upvote that collection and exclude the other 2. For over 50 euros, upvote the over 50 euros collection and exclude under 20 euros and 20 to 50 euros. Once everything is set, save your changes. Step 3. Test the filtering. Now let's preview the quiz. I'll select over 50 euros. And as you can see, only products above that price appear in the recommendations. If I select 20 to 50 euros, I only see products within that range. And that's it. That's how you can filter recommended products by price range in your RevenueHunt quiz. To learn more, visit our help center at docs.revenuehunt.com.